Next, we are going to implement the delete order feature that allows the admin or manager to delete an order from the database. And you can see in the order list page here, the admin user can click the hyperlink delete next to each order to delete the order. And upon clicking on this hyperlink, delete confirmation dialog appears. This is a confirmation dialog. Are you sure you want to delete the order with ID? And if the admin clicks cancel, do nothing and close this dialog. Or if the admin clicks OK, remove the order and return to the order list page. Let's see the activity diagram for the delete order feature. The admin selects an order to delete by clicking the hyperlink delete next to an order, and a confirmation dialog appears. If the admin click cancel, do nothing and return. If the admin chooses OK, delete the order and show a successful message on the order list page. And let's review the class diagram.